Okay, on to awards. We're now going to have the presentation of the 2024 New Jersey Department of Transportation Awards. Here to present those awards is Pragna Shaw, Acting Manager, Division of Statewide Planning, Bureau of Research, Innovation, and Information Transfer. Pragna has over 20 years of experience at NJDOT. She has managed numerous state and federal programs while serving in the Division of Local Aid and Economic Development and the Bureau of Research, Innovation, and Information Transfer. As the project manager for the Annual Research Showcase, the Bureau was recognized for the 2023 Best Virtual Event Award from AASHTO Communication Committee. Thank you, Civic Eye up there. Let's give a warm welcome to Acting Manager Pragna Shaw. You should be able to just...
Good morning. Before we present the awards to our very deserving winners, I'd like to extend a special thank you to our former Bureau Manager, now Deputy Director of Statewide Planning, Amanda Gendek, our Innovation Officer, Giri Venkatila, Dr. Giri Venkatila, thank you for standing up, Research Project Manager, Kamal Patel, and Stephanie Knock for their hard work and assistance on this event. Our showcase team members from Rutgers, Janet Laley, and her staff also deserve a huge thank you for making today possible. With their support each year, we know we are going to have a successful showcase. Next, I must also acknowledge the dedicated Bureau staff for their contributions to the research program. Thank you to Research Project Managers Stephanie Patapa, Priscilla Ukpa, Devin Cordero, and our contract administrators, Sneha Shah and Sue Rizzo, and our research librarian, Eric Schwartz. Thanks also to our NJDOT and NJ Transit customers who are the subject matter experts, helping us understand the problems we face. Many of you in attendance also serve on the Research Oversight Committee, ensuring we focus on the most beneficial, implementable research. Finally, a special thank you to our researchers. Without all of our institutes of higher education, your dedicated students, staffs, administrators, and sub-consultants, we wouldn't be here showcasing all this work. And now for the awards. I'm honored to recognize the hard work and innovative thinking of our students, researchers, and NJDOT employees. These award recipients have dedicated countless hours in the classrooms, labs, and on the roads, developing innovative solutions to the complex transportation problems that will affect us all. The first award, thank you. First, I'd like to present the Outstanding University Student in Transportation Research Award. This year, the award goes to Deep Patel. Deep has worked on the real-time traffic signal systems performance measurements, phase 1, 2, and 3, as well as several NJDOT research projects. Throughout these projects, Deep's extensive and multifaceted participation in the research project, from design to recommendation, has not only contributed significantly to the project's success, but also provided clear and informative perspective to all project participants and observers. The Bureau congratulates Mr. Patel for all his accomplishments and extends its best wishes for your future career. And the, oh, you're already here. Okay, perfect. Thank you. The next award category is the Research Implementation Award. This award recognizes principal investigators for their outstanding original research funded by the DOT that has been implemented and significantly impacted NJDOT and the transportation community. This year, the award goes to Dr. Peter Jin, Associate Professor of Civil and Environmental Engineering at Rutgers University for the New Brunswick Innovation Hub Smart Mobility Testing Ground Project. The objective of this project is to establish a living laboratory for smart mobility and smart city technology research and development in downtown New Brunswick. I would like to invite Dr. Peter Jin to come forward to receive this award, and also joining Dr. Peter Jin is Middlesex County Administrator, Mr. John Polomina. Hopefully I pronounced your name correctly.
Just want to have a shout out. Thanks NJDOT for initiating and sponsoring this project, and and special thanks to Giri Venkatila to be our project manager, and thank all the reviewers for recognizing this successful collaboration between state and local agencies. Join me will be Department Head Holly NM. Middlesex County has contributed significantly to this program and making the initial research project into a nationally recognized data city smart mobility testing ground, a vibrant research program for mobility engineering research. Please.
Thank you. Thank you, Dr. Jin. Good. I think it's still good morning. I'm not sure. But it's a great honor. And my name is Khalid Anjum. John Polomina sends his regrets. The county administrator could not be here in person, but he's an ardent supporter of transportation innovation and transportation initiatives throughout the county, and a big support of the state of New Jersey as it goes forward with all these transformative initiatives. So I have a prepared statement from John Polomina that I'd like to read, and I appreciate your indulgence. It is truly an honor to be here today at NJDOT's 26th Annual Research Showcase, celebrating Dr. Peter Jin's success as he receives the Research Implementation Award for the New Brunswick Innovation Smart Mobility Hub, also known as Data City. On behalf of Middlesex County, I extend my heartfelt thanks to the NJDOT, Rutgers University, and Kate, and all those who have been involved in making this happen. I'm particularly grateful for the unwavering support of Diane Gutierrez-Scachetti, the former Chief of Staff of Governor Murphy, the NJDOT Commissioner Francis K. O'Connor, and his team, whose leadership continues to drive transformative advancements in transportation across the state. I also want to acknowledge Dr. Ali Mar, the director of Kate. This award is a testament of the power of collaboration. And, you know, I just have to say this. David mentioned the question number 3, what is the state doing to enhance local partnerships? This is a perfect example of a successful, collaborative, transformative, innovative project across the state of New Jersey. And this has received national recognition throughout the country. So I'm really proud to be part of it. Continuing with my statement. The collaboration between NJDOT, Rutgers, Kate, and Middlesex County has allowed us to earmark ambitious projects like Data City, which represent the future of mobility. The expertise of Dr. Ali Mar and Dr. Peter Jin, along with his teams, not only support our efforts, but has also driven innovation at every stage. Together with the DOT, we are all shaping the future of transportation in the state of New Jersey, spurring growth, economic development, sustainability, and public safety. Middlesex County has I mean, one of our credos is that we believe in collaboration. We believe in working together. We think that together we can be more powerful and more successful, and we can be a force, multiplier. Together we can make things happen that we won't be able to make happen if we work in silos. And we practice that, and we put our money there. So we have made significant investments in this Data City initiative, which initially the state started, by the way, and it was the former Commissioner Gutierrez who initiated it. It started with a $50,000 grant, I think, right? But anyway, this award reflects the dedication of the DOT, Rutgers, Kate, Middlesex County to making New Jersey a leader in smart mobility. Together we are creating pathways to sustainability that will serve our communities for generations to come. Thank you again for everyone for making this happen.
Okay. Thank you so much. Congratulations. Next is the 2024 Best Poster Award. Let's give a big round of applause to all the poster presenters today. This year's Best Poster Award goes to Swati Malaru from Rowan University for her poster on performance evaluation of full-depth reclamation and cold-in-place recycling asphalt mixtures at varying amounts of bituminous and cementitious additives. Congratulations, Swati. Okay. This year's Research Champion Excellence Award goes to two engineers from the Division of Construction Services and Materials, Young Zhang and Emmanuel Bassi, for their work on the Advanced Reinforced Concrete Materials for Transportation Infrastructure Research Project. As technical advisory panel members, Young and Emmanuel played a vital role in the development of the scope and actively participated throughout the research project, resulting in high-quality research that identified advanced reinforced concrete materials for NJDOT. Next, I'd like to present the winner for our 2024 Build a Better Mousetrap competition. Whether it's a new gadget that improves the quality and safety of a project or an innovative process that reduces costs and improves efficiency, it typically is the people on the front line who discover the latest and best practices. This year's Build a Better Mousetrap Award goes to Bishoy Abdullah, a senior engineer from Roadway Design Group, for his innovative work on replacing inlet curb pieces in existing concrete barrier curbs. We'll start by showing a short video of the project, and then we'll present the award to Bishoy.
My name is Bashoy Abdallah. I'm a senior engineer in the Highway and Traffic Division, Roadway Design Group 1. And my innovation is replacing inlet curb pieces in existing concrete barrier curbs. In roadway design, we had a limited scope project on Route 38, which is in Lumberton Township. And as part of that project, we had to replace the inlet curb pieces. From there, it developed into me creating two separate details, basically giving direction to the contractor about how to replace these inlet curb pieces in existing concrete barrier curbs. The first detail is basically existing condition, go inside the inlet, remove the inlet curb piece, patch up some things here and there, and then we move on to the next inlet. The other detail that I ended up creating was, what if there was a scenario where the existing concrete barrier was cracked, like directly above the inlet? What does the contractor do? So I created detail number 2, which basically says, saw cut this section out, redo the steps of replacing the inlet, fixing it, and then going back inside and basically precasting just that section of concrete barrier curb. So now that we have this new detail in place, once it gets thrown on a project, and if the project has existing barrier curbs that need to have inlet pieces removed from them, in total, the project gets completed altogether without having to piecemeal everything out or take a section of it out and having to say, we have to stop this project, we can't complete the project. Now that we have this new element inside our standard construction details, it can progress from start, middle to end. It's efficient in a way that just keep it existing, assuming it's not broken or cracked or deformed in any way. Go inside, replace the inlet curb pieces, put the new inlet curb pieces back in, and then you open up the lane, and then the project continues and it doesn't have a standstill for months and months and months. This innovation improves safety for the simple fact of not having our motorists navigate so much around cones and drums. It saves money by reducing the amount of materials that have to be brought onto the site if we were going to replace the entire concrete median. Manpower as well, you just have a small crew and you can go in, whereas opposed to you need to bring a concrete truck and then you have to do traffic control for that. The whole purpose of removing the inlet curb pieces is to make sure that we don't have any debris or foreign objects going inside the inlet, which ultimately go into our waterways. This way we have a very small opening to minimize the amount of debris that can potentially go inside. Now, because it's a standard detail and it's in our standard construction details, it can be used by all other units, and it's been asked for, it's been utilized, it's been looked at. So it has been circling around the department ever since the final approval by FHWA.
Congratulations. Last but not least, this year we are proud to introduce the National High Value Research Award, recognizing NJDOT research projects acknowledged by the national transportation community. NJDOT has earned 2 awards, the AASHTO-RAC High Value Research Award and the AASHTO-RAC High Value Supplemental Award. I'll invite 2 project teams separately to the stage to receive these honors. The first award, the AASHTO-RAC High Value Research Award, was given to only 16 research projects nationwide. I would like to invite the project team for advanced reinforced concrete materials for transportation infrastructure to come forward as I announce each name and remain on the stage until all the names are called for your certificate and team photo. Principal Investigator, Dr. Matthew Bendel, Dr. Matthew Adams, Research Project Manager, Dr. Giri Venkatila, NJDOT Technical Advisory Panel members, Nahimi Jasmine, Emmanuel Bassi, and Young Zhang. The last award, and the second award, is the AASHTO RAC High Value Research Supplemental Award. Please remain on the stage until all the names are announced to receive your certificate and team photo. I would like to invite the project team for innovative pothole repair materials and techniques. Principal Investigator Dr. Hao Wang, Dr. Hussam Najam, Research Project Manager Dr. Giri Venkatila, and the NJDOT Technical Advisory Panel's members Jeff Evanlow, Nicholas Colangelo, Kenrick Lane, Roger Estevaletti, Anup Patel, Sadaim Absalom, Emmanuel Bassi, and Young Zhang. Yes. This concludes the award ceremony, so thank you for your attendance today and have a good rest of the afternoon, and I'll hand it over to David. Thank you.